Hey, kids, let's have some fun. Let's go outside. Yeah. All right. Here we go. We're going to go out on the back lot of the Jones Intercable Studios right here. We're going out the back door. Let's go. Hi there. Let's go. Oh, it's Evil Bob. Evil Bob, come on. Let's go on outside. We're going to do some pumpkin carving. I know what you're saying. Pumpkin carving at Jones Intercable? Watch out, you're on my cord. This is my my evil assistant right here, Evil Bob. Say hi to the kids, Evil Bob.
Hi!
And tell them to have a safe Halloween.
Oh, always remember, safety should be your first priority.
That's right, so never do what we're about to do here. I know what you're saying, pumpkin carving. It's a pain in the behind, you hate it, it's gross, but it's a favorite Halloween tradition. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Go get our favorite cutting tool.
Oh.
All right? Traditionally, something like this would be used on something like this, which is a whopper of a pumpkin, don't you guys think? Actually, this is just not gonna do it. I think we're gonna need something kind of heavy duty here. That's right. Bring that thing in here. Always wear your safety goggles.
Here you go, Ron.
Thank you very much, Evil Bob. All right, hold it down low. The first thing you want to do is take the top off. All right, now we're inside. There we go. You know, this is the worst part about pumpkin carving is all the guts. I hate guts. Get a good shot of this. Evil Bob. Evil Bob, you want to start me up again here?
I'd love to, Ron.
All right. Whoa. Goodness, we got to do the choke here again. Bring it over there. He's gonna.
Let's give it to the stage-hands.
Let's give it to the evil stagehand. You never want to do this in a brand new pair of Cavaruccis. The next thing is we've got to carve our face here. All right. I feel the need.
papers.
All right, let's get this out of here. A whiplash smile.
Oh,
And a
it's
beautiful. Happy Halloween, kids. This is the way it should be done.
Brings a tear to my eye.
And I think it brings a tear to his, too. What a friggin' mess. Thank you, Evil Bill. All right, kids, that's it. Here we go.